Are you ready to rumble? Starting, a mechanical engineer, Miss Cassie Garcia. Starting, interior designer, Jackie Boykin. Next up, as our chief estimator, Lai Ping Yang. Last, but certainly not least, our chief of construction and lead, Troy Taylor. I'm the team captain, Zach Ryan, as well as architect. For the building, we followed the RFP by designing a building on the JU campus that follows the scheme of the surrounding area. This camp. The building is 75,000 square feet. We included a lot of natural lighting and the big dome to help us stand out, but again, following the RFP is having it blend in. On the inside, we have open hallways to get into the gym to reduce human traffic jams. We all know that's like. On the outside, as you can see, the building and the parking lot fit the site perfectly. The parking lot has a logical flow to help reduce traffic, which again we all know. Now I'd like to take you back inside with my mechanical engineer, Ms. Cassie Garcia.
Hello, I'm Cassie Garcia. I'm a mechanical engineer for CAD Incorporated. When we started to design the building, we had to decide what type of system would work best to maximize efficiency for this type of building. We had to decide between a hot and cold piping system or a split system. We decided to utilize a hot and cold piping system for this building. We will be tying into the existing central plant that is located on the site. I have the schematics for the piping system on here. As the water enters the building, it will be tied into the air handling units that I have placed in each of the rooms. Air distribution and return systems are laid out also. Advantages to using this type of system are there is an existing central plant on the site. Also, there's an upfront cost savings since there will be no need for new chillers and boilers. In addition, we have placed occupancy sensors and time controllers to help maximize efficiency. Now I'd like to place it off to Jackie to talk about interior design.
Good morning, I'm Jackie Boykin, I'm an interior designer. I have chosen finishes that utilize the school color teal and an accent of off-white. My first finish is the paint. It's low VOC and the colors are teal and off-white, and they will alternate between having teal and white accent walls. And I chose these to represent the school and show the school's ownership over the gymnasium. Next, for our ceiling, we chose acoustical ceiling, and it's in every room except for the basketball courts and the lobby because it's open. And we chose it because and for our coach's office, we have carpet tiles. We have two different colors. One is multicolored and one is solid teal. And we chose this to add elegance and kind of a funky look to the office. For our light fixtures, we have 2x4 fluorescent lights in every room, and the basketball courts have gymnasium fixtures. For our sports flooring, we have rubber deck flooring, which is made out of recycled rubber, and the color is black with teal, blue, and purple specks. For our basketball courts, we have a hardwood suspended flooring system, which gives the court stability. And for our heavy traffic areas, corridors, and common areas, we have VCT, which is teal and off-white. And for our lobby and locker rooms, we have sheet flooring, which is also teal and off-white. And last, we have ceramic tile for our bathroom, and I chose these floors because they're sustainable, easy to clean, and they look wonderful. Now I'd like to pass it to Lupina.
Hello, my name is Navian. I'm a job estimator for CAD. The project is cost $11,956,000. The building is 75,000 square feet, which means the cost per square foot is $159. I would like to point out the timber is blue and the wall is red shape. The motion is roof, down is fabric. Also, the door is the rolling door. It has the heat and the cold change and keep inside the water. Oh no, air. Sorry. And our glass window. Our glass window along day and night to reduce energy cost. Now I will pass over to Mr. Choi.
Hi, I'm Troy Taylor, and I am the construction and lead estimator. In order to achieve a successful project, we'll have to be very aggressive with our scheduling. Completing the project in the shortest amount of time is imperative in reducing the duration of this. The duration of our schedule is, we approximate at 13 months. We'll be starting on November 2012 and we'll be ending on December 2013. Some of you may be wondering about our dome, because it's made of fabric, and you may be wondering how are we going to keep it up. What we'll be using is air pressure. Air pressure in the building, because it's always in there and it always rises, so while it's there, it's going to keep it up without no supports. Our goal for LEED for this project is to achieve silver certification. Our scorecard indicates a goal of 57 points. We'll be using, for our dome, we'll be using recycled materials, like, so you guys heard of Nissan and they use recycled water bottles for their cars. Well, that's what we'll be doing with our dome. We'll be using recycled materials. Also, we'll be using low viscosity paint, energy efficient light bulbs, low flow toilets, and many other applications. And with that, I'm going to pass you back to our team captain, Zach.
Thank you. Again, we stuck with the RFP, but also strayed away from it by having our buildings stick out. It'll cost roughly $11.5 million, like Light Pink said, and it'll take roughly 13 months to build, like Troy said. And again, we are CAD Inc., and we shoot for success.